12 hidden iOS 26 features Apple didn't tell you about, and how to turn them on. Apple's iOS 26 update has been making headlines for its glossy, liquid glass design and the arrival of Apple Intelligence. But the real power of this update hides beneath the surface. Beyond the wallpapers and widgets, iOS 26 packs dozens of subtle improvements that make your iPhone smarter, safer, and more intuitive, yet most people never discover them because they're buried under menus. Here's your complete, easy-to-follow walkthrough of 12 hidden iOS 26 features, what each one actually does, and exactly how to enable them. 1. Call Screening Plus Hold Assist. Say goodbye to spam and waiting music. What it does. Apple finally gave iPhone users a smarter way to handle unknown numbers. Call screening lets your phone answer first, asking the caller to state their name and purpose. You see a live transcript and decide whether to pick up. Hold Assist is even better. It waits on hold during automated customer service calls and alerts you when a real person returns. How to activate. Open Settings. Phone. Tap Call Screening. Unknown callers. Switch it on. Enable Hold Assist in the same menu. From now on, spam calls stay silent, and long support lines no longer waste your time. When the agent finally answers, your phone vibrates, and you simply pick up. 2. Smarter Messages, Polls, Custom Backgrounds, and Spam Filters. What it does. Apple quietly made the Messages app feel more like a modern chat platform. You can now run polls inside group chats, set custom chat backgrounds, and filter unknown senders automatically. How to activate. Create a poll. Open any group chat. Tap Plus. Poll. Enter a question and options. Tap Send. Change chat. Look. Tap the chat name. Background. Choose a solid color, gradient, or generate one with Image Playground. Block spam texts. Go to Settings, Messages. Screen unknown senders on. Pro tip, when you start a poll, everyone in the chat can vote once, and results update live. Perfect for planning outings or team decisions. 3. Live translation everywhere. Chats, calls, and AirPods. What it does. With Apple Intelligence running locally on new devices, iOS 26 can translate text or speech in real time. Whether you're texting a friend abroad, talking on the phone, or meeting face-to-face with AirPods, translation happens instantly. How to activate. In Messages, tap the Translate icon above your keyboard. In phone or FaceTime calls, tap More. Live translation. Select languages. With AirPods, press both stems, or say, "Hey Siri, start live translation." Note, works on iPhone 15 Pro and newer. Language packs can be downloaded offline for travel. Example, you call a hotel in Paris speaking English. Your voice is rendered in French for them, and you hear their French reply in English. 4. Safari Privacy. Plus web apps, the browser that acts like an app. Apple turned Safari into a private, app-capable browser. Anti-fingerprinting technology now runs full-time, blocking invisible trackers. Any website can be saved as a standalone web app that opens in its own window and shows up in the app switcher. HDR images render automatically for brighter, truer color. How to activate. Visit the site in Safari. Tap Share. Add to home screen. Add. Launch it from your home screen. It opens without Safari bars. Creators and business users love this. Dashboards, chat tools, or analytics pages feel like real apps. 5. Apple Music Magic. Lyrics translation and auto mix. What it does. Listening to foreign songs. Tap Translate in the lyrics view and get instant English subtitles. Or tap again for pronunciation guides. Meanwhile, AutoMix uses Apple's audio engine to blend songs smoothly, matching tempo and beat like a DJ set. How to activate. In Music, play a track, open lyrics view, translate, pronunciation. For crossfades, Settings, Music, AutoMix on. Now your playlist flows seamlessly, perfect for workouts or parties. 6. Maps Memory. Visited places and preferred routes. What it does, Maps now quietly keeps a private log of where you've been, end-to-end encrypted, and learns your favorite routes. Next time traffic builds up, it suggests an alternate route automatically. No manual detour needed. How to activate. Open Maps. Profile icon, top right. Tap Visited Places to review your travel history. Start navigating. The app begins learning your patterns. Apple designed this so your location history stays local. It's visible to you only. 7. Smarter notes and reminders, Markdown and AI to-dos. What it does. Writers and students can now export notes in Markdown.md for blogs or coding projects. In reminders, Apple Intelligence reads your text or emails and turns them into tasks automatically. How to activate. In Notes, tap Export, Markdown.md. In Mail, Safari, tap Share, Add to Reminders. iOS detects dates, people, and action items. Tip: share a recipe page to Reminders. It creates tasks for each step. 8. Adaptive Power Mode. Plus, charging estimate. Battery that learns you. Forget switching between normal and low power. Adaptive Power Mode observes your patterns and balances performance automatically. It also predicts how long it'll take to reach full charge. How to activate. Go to Settings, BIOS, Battery, Power Mode, Adaptive On. Plug in your phone. Under the battery icon you'll see Estimated Time to Charge. After a few days, your iPhone starts anticipating heavy use, like travel days, and saves energy proactively. 9. AirPods tricks. Camera remote, studio mic, and instant translation. What it does. Your AirPods just became a mini remote and microphone. Use them as a camera shutter for selfies or group shots. Record studio quality audio for voiceovers. Trigger live translation instantly with a gesture. How to activate. Settings. Bluetooth. I, next to AirPods. Enable camera remote and HD recording. In the camera app, press hold a stem to snap a picture. Press both stems together to activate translation. Great for vloggers who shoot hands-free or travelers using iPhone as a translator. 10. Visual intelligence. Highlight anything. Get instant answers. What it does. This new system-wide AI tool lets you select anything on screen, text, image, date, or object, and ask Siri or ChatGPT about it, translate it, or save it as an event. How to activate? Press side plus, volume up, like taking a screenshot. Choose visual intelligence. Highlight what you want. Choose search, translate, ask ChatGPT, or add to calendar. Example. Highlight a restaurant flyer and tap Add to Calendar. Your phone auto-creates a dinner event. 11. Liquid glass readability controls. What it does. The new liquid glass theme looks stunning but can be too transparent. A hidden accessibility toggle restores contrast for clearer reading and eye comfort. How to activate. Settings. Accessibility. Display and text size. Reduce transparency on. It slightly dims the backgrounds while keeping the same fluid animations. Bonus. Status bars and menus now shrink while scrolling. A subtle change that gives more screen space for content. 12. Web apps as full apps. Power feature for creators. Any website can now live on your home screen like a true app. It supports push notifications and appears in the app switcher. How to activate. Open the site in Safari. Tap Share. Add to home screen. Add. Launch it. Enjoy full screen mode with no address bar. This is perfect for online dashboards, AI tools, or blogs you visit daily. Bonus tips to make the most of iOS 26. Keep iPhone updated. Apple often unlocks delayed features through 26.1, 26.2 updates. Explore Apple Intelligence. Some tools like Smart Reply or Image Playground are exclusive to supported devices. Use Siri contextually. Siri now understands what's on screen. Ask, add this to reminders while reading an email, and it will. Check battery health reports after enabling adaptive power. They display usage patterns and projected battery life improvements. Experiment with web apps. Try turning ChatGPT, Canva, or your analytics dashboard into full-screen apps. It feels native and keeps you focused. Final thoughts. The beauty of iOS 26 lies not just in its looks, but in its quiet intelligence. Features like call screening, adaptive power mode, and visual intelligence aren't flashy. They simply save time, protect privacy, and make the iPhone behave more like a thoughtful assistant. If you've already updated, spend 10 minutes exploring these hidden settings. You'll instantly notice smoother workflows and fewer daily annoyances, and you'll be ahead of the millions still using iOS 26 like it's iOS 15. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, Apple hides its best tricks for those who dig a little deeper.